What's up guys? Welcome to my channel The Programmers. In this video we are going to create a very easy program in the Python language to identify whether a number is odd or even. So first I will open the program. Now we will take the input. First input underscore number equal to int input which number question mark. Now next line we are going to use a function named mod. Mod basically does that if we tell it to 2 mod 3, what does happen if we divide 2 by 3, it tells us the remainder. So if input number mod is identified as the percentage sign, if input number mod 2 is equal to 0, then if the remainder is 0, that means the number is even number. So print even number. So next else print odd number. So now this was the basic program, so it was very short. Now I will save it and run it on the command prompt. So ode.py. Which number? So we will take as 52. It is displayed as even number. So we will take now an odd number. So 79. It is an odd number. So this was the very first basic program. Please like and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further updates like this. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.